Well, first of all, it's serious enough for us to actually contemplate and act on our contemplation. Kasi hindi naman ho sa ano, I mean, humility aside ho, we're trying to we're trying to as unsolicited as this may be, we would like to, the leadership, the national leadership, to benefit from the point of view of former uniformed personnel who are now also in the midst of policy making. So since we are not in the executive, there is some difficulty in transmitting that advice, again, as unsolicited as it may be. Now, ang nakikita ko kasi natin, rare ho kasi na yung uniform organizations are publicly bickering. That's one. And the person rightly who can referee that bickering is the Commander-in-Chief. As soon as he puts his foot down, that's it, the end of it. You hear the end of it already. Pangalawa ho, how do we now proceed after this debacle? Sa amin ho kasi hindi malinaw ngayon eh. When we hear the OPAP saying that we should pass the BBL at all costs, otherwise, aba, saglit lang. Kayo ba nagsasabi yan o yun ang policy ng Presidente? Because we have some disagreements with that pronouncement. Pangatlo, before we even contemplate that, punta tayo dun sa aspect ng justisya. Bakit to? You cannot assume that that peace will reign anywhere in this country if we do not establish the rule of law. We have right now in our midst people who have remained scot-free despite their lawlessness and despite their carnage. So, what message are we sending out to everybody, to all lawless groups out there? Mahina ang gobyerno, pilay ang gobyerno. Then that government, if that is the case, is right to be challenged. Yun ang ayaw natin. Because when that challenge is thrown to this government, then we all suffer.
Okay, we're down to the last question.
Just one final question.
Of course, our colleagues will be willing to entertain more questions later.
Just one.
So last question.
No, just one.
Okay.
What is the overall national security situation right now? As it is, with the bickering, Mamasapano, series of NPA attacks in Mindanao, and then the BIFF and the MIF having a orchestrated war against each other. So what's the overall national security situation? Are you concerned? Ashby? Or
this specific security situation right now, might for us, we might be presumptuous to say specifically at what we are particularly in, what condition we are particularly in. But for us, it is enough that we hear our constituencies saying something that needs to be acted upon. So it's something that we cannot just ignore. Okay? We have been reading this through Facebook. Okay? Their concerns. And as people's representatives, our sector's representatives, we need to articulate the sentiments of these people. And we need to be part of the positive endeavor to ensure that our nation, our country, will not suffer. So we are in that condition.
I think and I believe that question should be best answered by the head of the NSA, my classmate, General Cesar P. Garcia. We're just here this afternoon to echo our, shall we say, sentiments insofar as the events have happened vis-a-vis the action of national government. Kasi may nakikita kami na may pagkukulang eh. In the same manner that you members of the media have seen and have heard from other sectors of society na dapat meron may palabas at meron dapat gawin. Di po ba? Each of us, the five of us, have agreed na meron bang dapat gawin ng national government. That is why the President, being the head of national government, should step up, even if this is already an unsolicited advice from us. Our training from the military and the police required of us not to question the policies. But since we have been there and we are now members of Congress, may nakikita kami na dapat meron pang mangyari. Na dapat meron pang dapat gagawin. Yun po ang aming standard.
May tanong si Gemma.
Okay, with that, or on that note, we end press briefing. You can actually seek out about the individual.
Last question.
Sino?
Paano daw po pag di nag-step up si President, step down na? Sir, saan ano sa...
Yun na yan.
Paano pag hindi nag-step up?
Ano gusto ko lang sagutin yan, no? We don't support for President Aquino to step down. That is why we're saying step up, no? And it is not upon us to say that he steps down. It depends on the claim of the people. Remember, we should not ignore, no, this claimor. Kasi nga sinasabi natin, a very volatile situation, huwag nating hayaan po ito. Dahil sa panahong nagkagulong-gulo ang taong bayan, kailangan po nating matibay na presidente na tumatayo at magbibigay ng maliwanag na direksyon para sa ating bansa. Yun po ang ating kailangan sa ating presidente. And we are expecting that from our president.
I think our group is not espousing for the President to step down. Why? Because we do not even know the alternatives. The alternatives may be more dangerous, more damaging. We do not know that. That's why we're not, our group is not recommending or asking the President to step down. We are doing the reverse. We are asking him to step up. Maraming salamat po.
Second motion. Okay.